What's up guys, today in this video, I am going to do the unboxing of the Apple iPhone 6. The iPhone 6 comes in 3 colors, space gray, silver, and gold. It comes in 4 storage options that are 16, 32, 64, and 128 gigabytes. In the box of the iPhone 6, you will get a 5-watt power adapter, USB to Lightning cable, and Apple EarPods. Designed by Apple in California. You also get some paperwork like iPhone 6 Quick User Guide, iPhone info and Apple stickers. In the box, we also get a SIM ejection tool. So let's start with the design. The size of the iPhone 6 is neither too big, nor too small. The in-hand feel is quite good. The edges of the iPhone 6 are rounded, which makes the phone a bit slippery. This is the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever made. It is just 6.9 mm thin. On the left side of the iPhone 6 is the volume controls and silent mute switch. There is nothing on the top. On the right side are the power button and SIM tray. The iPhone 6 uses a nano SIM. Below are the speaker, lightning port, microphone and headphone jack. On the back, the iPhone 6 has an 8-megapixel camera that can record videos in full HD. Next to the camera is the microphone and then the LED flash. In iPhone 6, the camera is slightly protruded, so you might want to have a case on your phone. It has stainless steel Apple logo in the middle, and below is the iPhone logo. The iPhone 6 also comes with an NFC chip at the top which works with Apple Pay. The display is 4.7 inches, and above the display is a 1.2 megapixel FaceTime HD camera, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor and earpiece. Below the display is the home button, which also has a Touch ID fingerprint sensor. The iPhone 6 is powered by the 1.4 GHz dual-core, Apple A8 chip, and we have 1 GB of RAM. The graphics is PowerVR GX 6450 which is quad-core graphics. When this phone was launched in 2014, it used to run on iOS 8. Now, this phone is running on iOS 12. It could not get the software update of iOS 13, because iOS 13 needed at least 2 GB of RAM. But Apple keeps giving small updates of iOS 12 in it. On iPhone 6, you can still run almost all the apps and games of the App Store. It can also handle the latest games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG but in low graphics. If your usage is basic, then this iPhone 6 is still capable, even in 2022. The user interface works well, but if there are a number of apps open in the background, then it seems a bit laggy because it has just 1 gig of RAM, but most of the time the phone runs smoothly. So, the performance of the iPhone 6 is still decent enough, just the app opening time seems a bit high. Next up is display. The iPhone 6 comes with a 4.7-inch Retina HD display. The resolution of this display is 1334 by 750 pixels which give a pixel density of 326 ppi. You can view this display from any angle, its viewing angles are quite good as it comes with dual domain pixels. Even in 2022, the display looks quite sharp and clear. Since this phone was released in 2014, it does not have the latest features like haptic touch or true tone display, but the quality of the LCD is still quite good. The colors are also very vibrant but the only problem is the bezels, which is thick. Even today, it will easily give competition to mid-range phones that use LCD displays. However, it does not support HDR. The quality of the display looks quite good, whether it is indoor or outdoor. Next up, camera. The iPhone 6 comes with an 8-megapixel camera which can film in 1080p. This was the first iPhone that could record 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. The focus pixels were introduced with iPhone 6 in which it can focus very fast. With iPhone 6, you can also record slow-motion videos at 240 frames per second. This camera still takes decent photos if the lighting is good, but in night shots, the photos are mostly blurry and grainy. So you can take good photos with this phone, but the quality decreases as soon as the photos are zoomed in because it is only an 8-megapixel sensor. In this, you will not get the latest features of the camera like live photos, or portrait mode. Its front camera is only 1.2 megapixels and the quality of the front camera is not good. This is fine for things like video calling. If the camera is your main focus, then you should buy at least iPhone 6s or iPhone 7. The iPhone 6 comes with an 1810 mAh battery which lasts for 1 day on normal usage. I got a screen on time of about 4 hours and its battery is about 15% better than iPhone 5s. You can also check the battery health percentage in the settings of the iPhone 6, and the lower it is, the less the battery will be. So even in 2022, you can consider Apple iPhone 6 if you are getting a good deal on it. This iPhone was launched in 2014, and even today, people are using this phone. In the end, thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm